The Profanity Filter allows you to have a safer experience with our automatic speech recognition across multiple languages. When activated, it will omit any abusive, profane, and offensive words from your transcriptions. It is active by default, but you can customize the words you want to block and allow in a session. For example, you want to block the word stupid as it may be perceived as sensitive during a parent meeting. However, it's not listed in our built-in block list. Instead, you can add the word to your block list. To customize the block list, go to the dashboard and click Settings. Click Captioner and select the Profanity Filter tab. Click the drop-down under Select Language to choose the language you want to use in a session. Go to the block list section and type in the word in the text field. You can also click the Show Your List drop-down and select Show Built-ins to see the words the engine automatically blocks. Now let's go to a session and make sure the Profanity Filter is activated. Open the captioner, turn on your microphone, and say, "She angrily called one of the teachers a stupid old man." See the difference? The word stupid is now filtered. You can also allow specific words from the built-in block list to appear in your transcriptions. For example, we can see the word sexual is blocked by our engine. If you want the word sexual in sexual revolution to appear, go to the Allow List section and type in the phrase sexual revolution in the text field. Now, the phrase won't be filtered from your transcription. You can now start using the Profanity Filter and customize the words you want to block and allow in your session.
Spiffio, access in any language.